Hi, welcome to another video in the saga Audi A2 project Youngtimer. In this video I will replace the air filter in the engine 1.4 petrol engine, so 1.4 AUA engine, and let's go to work. And what do we need to replace the air filter? Well, we need an air filter. I bought this Mahle. It is equivalent to factory filter. So this is it, as you can see, quite clean. And we need also this cross screwdriver so that we will be able to unlock to unscrew two screws that hold the plastic bottom cover of the air filter. And where is the location of the air filter? Air filter is located here under this right side of the front bumper. So if we take a look from the down, it's here, and let's go down and then up. So here is the right front wheel, and if I go up, you can see here is the air filter. Let me just put the camera like this, and here you can see this is the box, plastic box for the air filter, and here are the two screws that need to be unscrewed so that we can get this bottom cover down. 1, 2. Let me just take the screwdriver, and as you can see I have this a little bit variable. Why? Because you will see. So I will first unscrew this one, which is here down. You just press the plastic front bumper a little bit like this, so that towards the front, so that you have space, and then we can now unscrew this first screw. As you can see, it's already unscrewing. It's nice if you have a ratchet, it's much easier. Okay, so that's it. And now also this one, like this. Okay, let me just put this like this, and now I can do it by hand probably. Yeah, that's it. This is the first one, and now also the second one, and the plastic cover. You just hold it, and you can see here this is the latch that goes into this one, this plastic part. So this is it, and now we just take out the air filter, and you just pull it down, and it is down. As you can see, it is not really clean, but this is not a problem because I have a new one. So now I will use this opportunity to clean a little bit this. As you can see, it's quite dirty. I will clean this, and then we can install the new air filter. Maybe we can also take a look at it. Just a moment. That's it. If I take it out and can do a comparison of both filters. So this is the factory one, and let me take the new one out, and yeah, it is visibly a little bit cleaner. So this is nice. They are both the same, as you can see here at the bottom, and here is the factory. Let's see if it is genuine. Yes, it is genuine Audi product. As you can see, here is the part number also. It is a little bit dirty, so yeah, it is time to replace it with this new shiny one. So I will now clean that plastic box, and then we can install the air filter. Of course, so that you are able to do this, to access the air filter location here down, you first need to dismantle the engine plastic cover, which is under the engine, and I will link in the video description also the link how to dismantle that, so that you have access to the air filter. Okay, now let's go forward with cleaning. And that's it. I have already cleaned the plastic box for the air filter, and now we can install it. So first I will put in the fresh air filter, the new one. So you just press this plastic a little bit from the front bumper, a little bit towards front, and find the connection point, and then just press it up. And that's it. Air filter is already installed, and now we can install the filter cover. First we need to put this part of the cover into this plastic bottom part. So I will just do it like this. Okay, let me find it. That's it. And now we can just first screw this one so that it just holds, and now the second one. This is the plastic cover. Oops, and be careful a little bit not to break this screw, because it will be a little bit harder later. But as you can see, we need to screw them tightly. So I will use now this longer one. Just like this. Okay. And also this one. I just press this plastic from the front bumper a little bit towards the front, and now I will use the ratchet because it will be easier. Okay, I'll press this like here, and yeah, I need to, and yeah, it's screwing. Okay. Need to press up. Okay, and now also this one. Okay, don't over tighten it because everything is plastic. And now also the left one to the end, and that's it. The plastic cover for the box, for the air filter box, is on, and air filter is installed, freshly replaced and installed. And this was the process for replacing the air filter on the 1.4 petrol engine. It is quite simple process. It will take only maybe half an hour together with the raising up the car and everything. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video helped, and drive safe, and of course smile when you drive, because driving is fun. Bye.